So today I'm going to be installing the Microjig MJ splitters. This is the Steel Pro series and this was kindly sent to me by Carbotech. I've been promising a riving knife for a long time for this table saw. The first one wasn't actually available in Australia, so I decided to make my own riving knife. That didn't work at all, it was actually counterproductive, but these little Steel Pro splitters by Microjig work an absolute treat. Okay, so this kit comes with a double-sided instruction manual. It looks a little bit intimidating, but the most important part is this section right here. This is your setup board. It's crucial that this is completely square and as per the instructions. So double check that the end piece is square before you make any cuts, and you want to cut it through the middle, or as per the instructions, up to a 3-inch line on the back. You do not want to cut straight through, you want to stop at that 3-inch mark. So the drill guide can be delicately placed on the setup board we just cut. This is the MJ Pro series, so there's plenty of options to do with curve keeping and different offsets to ensure that your stock isn't going to slip or even create burn marks. This does a really good job at stopping burn, but I'm going to be using 2 splitters and I'm going to have the stock mode, which is directly in line with the blade. With the power unplugged, we place the setup board back over the blade. I'm setting mine up for a 2-inch blade height. There's different modes you can have here, and you just line it up with the line and make sure it's flush. The good thing about these is they just go through your zero clearance insert, so if I wanted to make one for a different blade height, I can just pop on another zero clearance insert. So it's as simple as sliding the splitters into the zero clearance insert. You'll notice that there are plus signs on the side of these splitters. They're for different offsets to the blade. And as stated before, there's a kerf keeper option which keeps the kerf, so if you've got warped timber, it's not going to jump into the blade. It actually catches onto the kerf and slides with the material. It's actually really interesting. It's eliminated burning altogether, and I feel a lot safer using this, so the product link is in the description. Honestly think you should check it out. There's a lot of woodworkers on YouTube that use these for good reasons, so I would have preferred to have a riving knife for this table saw, but unfortunately I cannot find one for this circular saw. They do make one, but it's not available in my area, and making one was just way too messy and way too dangerous, so I'm really happy I have these. So next up we've got the 2 bucket cyclone. I know it's been a little bit of a delay, I'm just trying to get it perfect, so I'll see you then. Cheers.